Hello, hello. Welcome back to HoneyBook Insider. I wanted to show you a new feature in HoneyBook that I think has caused a little bit of confusion. If you're new, my name's Diana. I'm the OG HoneyBook Pro. And today, I am in the HoneyBook demo account. So this is like the least put together system you've ever seen in your life because, well, all of us share this account. So it is in sessions. You can have multiple the way it's presented, it says it has multiple attendees, but actually that's not what it is. And so this is for someone who has multiple people in your studio. This is great for fitness. This is great for photo shoots. If you can take if you have more than one photographer, DJs, great for you too, or any consultants that have multiple team members that are sharing one HoneyBook account. So the way this works is in your tools and then go to scheduler here. If you click on open up a session, it's going to ask you how many attendees can be there. So how many people can register for each session. So this is also great if you are a consultant or if you run a workshop, if you're a coach, executive coaching, like if you're running a workshop, this is great for that. Couple of things to know. This is not how many people can come to my discovery call. That's not what it's saying. It is saying how many people can register at the same time slot. So if I have a 12 o'clock, Monday 12 o'clock time slot, how many of those can I take? If I'm running a sales call, I can take one at a time because it is just me running sales. If you have a larger sales team, you could potentially have multiple sales calls going on at the same time on different Zoom rooms, maybe. If you have minis and you have multiple photographers, that would be good. You could have how many sessions at the 12 o'clock slot. If you're teaching a class, a fitness class, how many attendees can register for that time slot. So that's essentially what it's asking you. Each person, as they register through a lead form or however you schedule them, will become a project. And then so they will have their own project. They will not all be in they will not all be in one project together because that will allow for someone to pay for individual sessions and not see someone else's payment information. So everyone still has their own slots and their own projects. But that has caused a lot of confusion because we got all excited thinking it was allowing multiple people to be in a Zoom call. And that's not what it is. Okay. So I just wanted to let you know, max attendees, you could have up to 50 attendees per quote unquote session. So if you are running a workshop, that's great. The way I get around that is I use a personal ID Zoom room so that each Zoom link is the same for everyone. You could do that, or you can also make this a video call. And then if you click other as your video type, you can change and have your hyperlink in there so that everyone has the same hyperlink if you're registering for a workshop. It could be a paid workshop and you could take up to 50 attendees. Any questions about this feature? Feel free to drop them in the comments and let me know. As always, follow and subscribe for more. Thanks.